My name is Len Foy, and I am a real estate attorney located in Nashua, New Hampshire. I've been practicing law for just about 20 years, and in that 20-year span, I've been representing clients who have purchased and sold real estate, refinanced real estate. So real estate has always been a practice area for me. In the last, I would say the last 10 years, I have concentrated my practice in real estate, handling commercial and residential real estate transactions. So that's the who we are. My office is located on Northeast at 76 Northeastern Boulevard, Suite 26B in Nashua, New Hampshire. But again, we handle real estate transactions in 4 New England states. What do we do? Boy, that's a great question, and that's a question that I frequently hear. What we do is we offer a variety of services, all of which are related to real estate transactions. We represent buyers, we represent lenders, and we represent sellers in real estate transactions. So if you are buying a piece of property, I would like to represent you. If you are buying a piece of property and you are using a lender, and the question is, will my lender utilize your services? The answer is probably yes, but we should talk about it and make sure that we can do that. If you are selling real estate and you are contemplating hiring an attorney, we can represent you, and we would like to. The one caveat that I would offer in this and all of our videos is that in the state of Rhode Island, we can issue title insurance, and we can act as and we can handle a real estate transaction, and we do. But because I'm an attorney, not an attorney licensed in the state of Rhode Island, I'm not in a position to offer legal services in Rhode Island or to represent anyone in a legal capacity. So if you are contemplating purchasing real estate in Rhode Island or refinancing real estate in Rhode Island, I can help you, and I would like to help you. If you are looking for more legal representation, because I'm not admitted to practice law in Rhode Island, it wouldn't be appropriate for me to do that, so I could not represent you in that case. Disclaimers can be tricky, and they certainly can take the flow out of a video, but that's a disclaimer that I feel compelled to offer people. So the clients that we are likely to represent would be people who are buying, selling, or refinancing real estate. We work with buyers, sellers, and lenders. Lenders could be broadly defined to include banks, mortgage companies, credit unions, private lenders, small banks, international banks, mortgage brokers. So really the entire spectrum of potential lenders. People frequently ask me, well, they ask me all the time, where do you practice? Well, we should probably begin with an official answer to that question. I'm licensed as an attorney in New Hampshire, Maine, and Massachusetts, and California, where I'm on inactive status. I'm licensed to issue title insurance in Massachusetts, Maine, New Hampshire, and Rhode Island. So we handle real estate transactions in 4 New England states: New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Maine, and Rhode Island. If you have any questions, or there are any variations any variations whatsoever, call my office. All consultations are free. I take phone calls. I respond to emails. I'll communicate with you, and we'll work through the issues, and we'll establish whether or not I'm in a position to represent you and be your attorney or help you with a real estate transaction or not. But we cover we cover the states that I've identified in their entirety. So we handle real estate transactions on Cape Cod, northern New Hampshire, western Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Maine, upstate Maine, the islands off the coast of Maine. So these are all areas that we cover, and we cover competently, diligently, conscientiously, and we have experience handling real estate transactions in all of these areas. People also ask me sometimes, what do you do? Well, We represent buyers and sellers and lenders in real estate transactions. We do title searches. So if you have any